Hi, welcome back for another video. My name is Tanya, for those of you that are new here, and I am a watercolor and acrylic artist. So I was commissioned a couple days ago to paint cards for a funeral. I think she's passing them out to the pallbearers and maybe some family members, I'm not really sure. But she had commissioned me to do a bunch of them, and she said she wanted to be with a cross, and she wanted them to be kind of simple. So I'm going to show you how I created these cards. All right, so I just went on Amazon, and you can look up any watercolor cards. There's a whole bunch of different brands out there. I don't even know what brand this was. It came in a little package like this, where there's the watercolor cards on one side and the envelopes on the other side. And it was a pack of 100. All right, so to get started, I've got my card, I've got my watercolors. I'm using Koi watercolors today. I have my water and my paper towel and some paintbrushes here. I've got a 1/2 inch square. I've got a 4, and I believe this is a 1, and then a 2 long. But you can use any brushes you want if you want to create these. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my I'm going to get my brush wet, and I'm just going to make the sign of the cross with water. You're not going to probably be able to see this part, but I'm just doing the sign of the cross in water only. And then I'm going to take my size 4 brush, and you could dip it in any color you want, and just kind of drop in the watercolor on the water. And I think I'll pull in a little yellow. And then now you can start to play around with the shape of your cross. If you thought it was too small, you can always do a little larger. Just go around it. And I think I also want to pull in some blue. This is really easy. So these are really cute. You could do these for holidays. You could do them for, like what I'm doing for a funeral. My dog is dreaming. I don't know if you can hear that, but he's dreaming under my table here. It's kind of funny. All right, very pretty. I think I'm going to just pop in a little bit more blue in some areas. Kind of got washed out there a little bit. All right, I'm going to go ahead and dry this, and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so now that I dried it, I'm going to go ahead and make a little highlight in the middle of my cross. So let me just show you. See how I took off a little bit of the paint in the middle? It just makes a little bit of a highlight. So I'm going to take my same brush, number 4, and I'm going to just drag a little water and lift a little of that paint right in the middle here. Now, the darker your cross, the more you're going to see this highlight, obviously, because it'll be more contrast. The lighter your cross, you won't see the highlight as much. And I'll just work my way down. There. So I gave it a little bit of a highlight. And now I am going to do some grass on the bottom. So I'm going to pull in my long brush, and it's a number 2. And I'm just going to take and make a mixture. I'm not sure what color this is, but it's kind of like an olive. I usually use Winsor Newton watercolors, and this is the Koi brand, so I'm not very familiar. So it's kind of a sap green, but a little bit more olivey. And then I'm going to mix a little bit of this brighter green in there. Just get a nice wash. All right. And I'm going to start from the bottom up and I'm going to just drag my brush bottom up. And you can have a couple go on the cross as well. All right, and then I'm going to take my 1/2 inch brush, and I'm just going to go from the bottom up just to kind of blend those, and then I'm going to turn it the thin way and just kind of bring a couple little streaks up also, like it's little blades of grass. And you can add as much grass as you want. You could put little flowers in there if you want to. What I did was, she said she wanted to keep this kind of simple, the lady that wanted me to do all these cards for her. So I did not add flowers. I just added some little leaves to them, just so there wasn't any more color in there. So I'm going to take my, I believe this is a 1. I'm going to dip it in that green again. And I'm just going to come in and put a couple little leaves here and there. I'm just dotting the paper. So I'm just making little marks, like little leaves. Now, if you want to change the color of the grass, you could do that too. You could make it brighter. You could make it a totally different color. I just wanted to use muted color for the grass, just so that the cross stood out a little bit more. And you can even come in and dot even more towards the bottom here. Now it's wet, so I'm probably going to have to dry this and then come in with another little coat of these leaves. Pretty. All right. And another thing I like to do is I'll take a bigger brush and I will just put it in my green. You could put it in any color you want, but again, I'm just sticking with green. She didn't want this to be too much color. So make a nice wash, and then I'm going to just tap my brush. Like that. Add some green, and then if you think that you got a couple of those little splatter marks on your cross and you don't like that, just pick them up before they dry. You can pick them up really easily if they're still wet. And let me go ahead and dry this, and I'll show you what I do on the bottom here. Okay, so I went ahead and I dried it, and I'm just taking my little brush again that I did with the that I used for all the little leaves, and I'm just going to create a couple little leaves down here on the bottom also. So it just breaks up a little bit of that empty space down here. And you can add as much texture as you want. I just want a little bit here and there. There. Beautiful. All right, so that is a simple little card that you can make, like I said, for Easter, Christmas, funerals, whatever. And I show you my different varieties here. So I did the kind of the combination that I just did now, and then she wanted a couple more that were a little bit more masculine. So I just did the blues and the blacks. I had one that was just orange and pink. This one's got more green. That's the same one. Let's see, same one. And here we go. So just a couple different little varieties. So she's got, she can have a couple just to choose from to see, whoever she's going to give them to. So there you go. Just wanted to create this for you since I was making them last night, and I wanted to do a little video for you. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and you can make a comment in the comment section if you like this video. Please let me know, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos like this one. Have a great day. Bye.